Much like our physical, emotional, and spiritual health, mental health is essential to our overall well-being. It affects how we feel, think, act, cope, make decisions, and engage with the people around us. Poor mental health can even lead to depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders or diagnoses. Although there are many factors affecting our mental health that are outside of our control, here are 3 things you can do to improve your mental well-being. Get regular exercise. It may surprise you, but regular exercise is a proven way to improve mental health. It releases endorphins in our system and can alleviate mild depression and anxiety symptoms. Cultivate a sense of belonging. Having a place to belong where you feel cared for and valued is a known protective factor when it comes to our mental health. Whether in a family, a peer group, the workplace, or beyond, belonging matters. Educate yourself. Awareness is a great way to recognize the risks and symptoms of poor mental health and can make you more proactive in caring for yourself if they do occur. A greater awareness of mental health concerns will also make you better equipped to offer compassion and understanding to those who are struggling.